Stop! Wait! Don't skip this! If you stay with me, you will start speaking English today. No stress. No fear. Just real English.
And in a few minutes, you'll finally understand how to speak simple English naturally.
Welcome to Learn English with Alex and Alice.
Speak English with confidence. One story at a time.
Welcome back, everyone. I'm Alex.
And I'm Alice.
Today, I want to speak English fast, like instantly fast.
Instantly? Alex, English is not a microwave meal.
Why not? I press learn and boom, fluency.
If only life worked like that, I'd be fluent in cooking too.
Wait, you can't cook?
I can burn water.
Okay, then I feel better about my English.
Good, because today we keep it simple, fun, and no stress.
So, no grammar panic.
No grammar panic, only real English.
I like that.
Perfect. Let's begin your English journey.
I don't even know where to start.
Start simple.
Simple how?
Everyday English. Repeat after me. Good morning.
Good morning.
How are you?
How are you?
I am fine, thank you.
I am fine, thank you. That feels easy.
English is easy when you repeat.
I wake up, I brush teeth, I eat.
Good. Make full sentence.
I wake up at 7 a.m., I brush my teeth, I eat breakfast.
Perfect.
But I still forget words.
That is normal.
What if I make mistakes?
Then you learn.
So mistakes are okay?
Yes.
That feels strange.
Good strange.
I want real-life English.
Okay. Bus stop situation. Excuse me, where is the bus stop?
Excuse me, where is the bus stop?
It is straight ahead, then left.
Straight ahead, then left. I feel nervous.
That is normal.
I'm going to the market to buy food.
Perfect.
That was real English.
Yes. Now, restaurant. Hello, welcome.
Hello, welcome.
Are you ready to order?
Yes, I want rice and chicken. Yes, I want rice and chicken.
Anything to drink?
Water, please. Water, please. That was easier than I expected.
Because you used simple English.
I always think too much.
Stop translating.
How?
Think in English.
That is hard.
It becomes easy with practice.
What if people don't understand me?
They will try to understand you.
Really?
Yes.
Communication is the goal. I like that.
Phone practice. Hello?
Hello, I am calling about the meeting.
What time will you come?
I will come at 2 p.m. Perfect. I feel like my brain is changing.
That is English thinking.
I want fluency fast.
Then practice daily.
I will.
Shopping. How much is this shirt? Repeat.
How much is this shirt?
3,000 naira.
I will buy it. I will buy it. Short sentences feel powerful.
They are powerful.
I am starting to feel confident.
Good.
I wake up at 7 a.m., I go to work, I come back home.
Good flow.
I didn't stop this time.
That is improvement.
Am I getting better?
Yes.
I want to speak like a native.
Then think like a speaker, not a student.
Okay.
Final challenge. Speak without stopping.
I am learning English every day. I am not afraid of mistakes. I speak in real life. I improve step by step. I will not give up.
Perfect.
I still feel nervous sometimes.
That is okay.
What should I do next?
Real situations.
Again?
Yes, but faster now.
Okay.
Bank situation.
Good morning.
I want to open an account.
I want to open an account.
Do you have ID?
Yes, I have my ID.
Good.
I feel more natural now.
Yes.
Shop situation.
How can I help you?
How much is this?
How much is this?
3,000 naira.
I will take it.
Good.
I think less now.
That is fluency.
So fluency is not fast speaking?
No, it is smooth speaking.
Smooth English.
Yes.
I feel different.
You are changing.
I wake up at 7 a.m., I study English, I speak with people.
Perfect.
I didn't stop speaking.
That is the goal.
I want to continue.
Good.
Final test?
Yes. Speak for 10 seconds.
I am learning English. I speak every day. I am not afraid. I make mistakes and learn. I am improving slowly.
Excellent.
I think I'm improving,
You are.
but I still doubt myself sometimes.
Doubt is normal.
I remember day one.
You couldn't speak at all.
Now I can talk in real situations,
Exactly.
but I still make mistakes.
So do fluent speakers.
Really?
Yes, they don't stop.
I used to stop.
And now?
Now I try again.
That is transformation.
I didn't notice it happening.
Growth is quiet.
So I'm different now.
Yes, you are a speaker.
That feels powerful.
Good.
What now?
Continue.
I will speak English every day.
Good.
Thank you, Alice.
Go speak with the world.
I will. I will speak English every single day.